What's the meaning of carburize? Carburize. Carburize.
Carburize. Carburize. Carbizing is a heat treatment process that involves adding carbon to the surface of a low-carbon steel material. This is typically done in a high-temperature furnace, using a carbon-rich gas or liquid to introduce carbon into the material's surface. The result is a significantly harder and more wear-resistant surface layer that can withstand high levels of friction and surface abrasion. Carbizing can be used to enhance the durability and lifespan of a wide range of components, including gears, bearings, and other mechanical parts that are subjected to high levels of stress and wear.